Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I want to share with you guys my unboxing of my Bath and Body Works. Now we didn't get that much. They had a sale going on, and my husband and I have been experimenting with different scents that we like around the house. So we've come to agree on watermelon lemonade. Yes, I know, watermelon lemonade. Yeah, but we got some wildflowers. We got 3 of the wallflowers. We got 2 of the air fresheners. And my husband wanted to try the hand soap, so we got 1 of those. And then the smaller candles were on sale. And I could have sworn we ordered 5, so I need to check the order form. But we purchased 2 of the smaller ones. So guys, because we fell in love with it because of, we purchased this one when they had the sale on. We bought like several different scents. And so far, we like this one. So we decided to go all in on the watermelon lemonade. So guys, I hope you like my short video on my Bath and Body Works haul. If you do, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then, guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed down below on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.